Let's open it. Oh, who is there? Who is that? Who is it? Oh, it's the reindeer from Frozen.
Sven, it's Sven. Baby
It's
Sven.
Sven.
It's a baby Sven. Don't break it.
Okay, let's put him down right here.
Or stop. Don't break it.
Just gonna put him right here.
Right there.
Watch, we have one more. What's in here?
A shoe. Oh,
Film.
oh. Right there.
Go back. See that, Mark? Look.
Wait. Remo. Wait.
Okay.
Look at this.
Don't pop it. Here we go.
Will Abby at you?
Bless you.
Hey, Mark, what's in this one?
Is that?
Who is it?
Who is it?
Who is it? Let's see who it is.
That.
I don't know.
That's not a Frozen character. Oh, it's a troll. Oh, it's a troll. It's one of the trolls.
Oh, yeah. Yay.
It's a rock troll.
So we have...
So let's see what we got so far.
Look at one.
I have it.
So we have... What's his name? Sven.
Sven
And
and
we have...
Papa Troll.
No.
Okay, now you can play with that.